The dataset that you see on the screen contains annual returns for growth and value mutual funds from 1984 to 2018. In this video, I'm going to construct a scatter plot of value against growth using R. So our script is already open. We are going to first set our directory, set working directory, choose a directory, and click open. And next we are going to import the dataset into a data frame and label it my data. My data is equal to read.csv in the parentheses growth underscore value.csv and then control enter. Now we have 35 observations and 3 variables in this dataset. In order to construct a scatter plot, we use the plot function. R offers a number of options for formatting plot function. Here we use main to add a title, xlab and ylab to provide labels for the x-axis and the y-axis, call option to define color, and the pch option to choose the marker for the data points. In particular, pch is equal to 16 displays filled circles as data markers. So we are going to type the following command. Plot, open parentheses, my data, I'm going to choose value column, and my data growth, comma, main is equal to scatter plot of value against growth, and then comma, xlab is equal to growth, comma, ylab is equal to value, comma, call option to define a color, and we choose chocolate, and then pch option for data markers, and then close the parentheses and control enter. So you can see the resulting scatter plot under plots pane. By looking at this figure, we can infer that there is a positive relationship between value and growth. That means as the annual return for value increases, the annual return for growth tends to increase as well. So this is how we construct a scatter plot using R. Thank you for watching.